So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up an EE Box Pro, install internet setup and account activation. So how to set up an EE Box Pro. Connect the EE Box Pro to your TV using an HDMI cable and plug it in the power adapter to turn the device on. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, pair the remote and configure base setting. Sign in with your EE account to activate the service, install update and start watching TV and streaming apps. So install and connect the TV box. Start by connecting the EE TV Box Pro to your TV and power source. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the TV box and the other end into your TV. Then connect the power adapter to the box and plug it into a wall outlet. Turn on the TV and press the power button on the TV box to start the setup process. Second is connect the TV box to the internet. The TV box need an internet connection to stream channel and app. You can connect it using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. For Wi-Fi, go to setting, then network, then Wi-Fi. Scan for available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password. Using an Ethernet cable from the router to the yellow port on the box provide a more stable connection and better streaming quality. Third is pair the remote control. Remove the plastic battery tab from the remote, then hold the remote near the TV box. Press the power button and the remote should automatically pair with the device through Bluetooth. If pairing fails, replace the batteries and try again. Fourth is activate your EE account. Once the device starts, follow the on-screen setup instruction to select language, connect to the internet and sign in with your EE account or subscription. After logging in, the box activate your TV service and install necessary update automatically. Fifth is complete setup and start watching. After activation, the system finishes the setup and loads the EE TV home screen. You can now open the TV guide, streaming app or recording, adjust setting and start watching content. Make sure the box stays connected to the internet to access HD channels and streaming services. Thank you.